Hi everybody, Tammy here, and I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how you can share group work with your students when you are working remotely or even in the classroom. So I'm here in Google Classroom and I want to go to classwork and I want to create an assignment. It's going to be super easy. So I'm going to title this group work and then whatever the title is. You're going to put very clear instructions right here in this section, letting the students know how they're going to work together and any instructions that you can think of to make this seem seamless. All right, so from here, you can add any kind of Google Doc, slide, sheets, anything in Google Drive from here that you've already done. So maybe you want to create a template for the assignment that they're going to be collaborating on. If you don't yet, then you can create one right here. So if I create a Google Slides and it's going to pop up, and from here I can title it. So this would be in a certain classroom. Um, I can just say this is my class and group one, whatever you want to, however you want to title and organize your assignments. And then you can create templates here. You could create a slide for each person, or you can create just a template slide for the things that they're going to be working on together. Maybe they're working on each slide together, or they're working on separate slides, but they're collaborating, and that's the whole point of this. So you can do this in real time if you haven't already created one, and then it's going to come up here. Now here's where you need to pay close attention. We don't want them just to be able to view the file. We actually want them to edit the file, and we don't want to make a copy for each student because this will be a collaborative assignment where they're working on the same assignment. So we want to make sure that the students can edit this particular file. And I'm not going to assign it right now because I want to assign to specific students. So the next step, making sure that students can edit this file and that they're going to be working on the same file, I'm going to go up here to the right and click on all students and then uncheck all students. And then I'm going to check the specific students that I want in that particular group. So keep that in mind. I'm going to move this over. So keep that in mind that those are the students I want to work on this. And then you can do that for each separate group. And then once you hit assign, then only those students are going to see this assignment. And when they click on that slides presentation, they will all be able to work on that particular slides presentation because you have that the students can edit this file. Remember, we're not going to make a copy for each student. They're not going to get separate copies. They're going to be working on this one file, and so make sure that they can edit the file, and you have unchecked all students and just chosen the students that you want for that particular group. And then you would create an assignment, a different assignment for each group. Just make sure you organize it and make sure the kids have good instructions here so they know what to do once they are in the file. So if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.